Can I? Is it nice? Can I say hi?
What do you mean nice?
No. You're gonna bite
She hasn't killed anyone today.
Never?
No.
Not today.
Get your arm out.
Yeah. He's kissing me. Oh. I don't have any fish.
What's your earrings?
I had a shrimp cocktail today. That's what you said.
No, she likes kisses.
You like kisses? Yeah.
Very affectionate.
Getting French kissed by a bird. French kissed by a bird.
Female bird.
That's, ooh, you're like a lipstick lesbian bird. Oh.
Don't stick your hand up her face.
Please don't do that.
She won't bite hard. She'll pitch.
That's okay, yeah, she's pinching. You're a little feisty.
She's just saying.
Feisty? It's okay. You just don't want
She
to be
doesn't
petting
know
her.
you.
Now we're friends.
Cautious.
No, I don't want my finger.
Say no.
No.
She'll stop.
No. Friends again?
No.
No.
Spanky.
No.
No.
She's like, if I can't kiss you, then I'm gonna bite you.
She's just playing with you.
Because I like my mouth on things.
She's just playing.
That's how I learn. She's so playful.
Yeah. She's a character. Yeah.
What do you say?
Hello, what you doing? Want a kiss?
You have to.
She laughs.
You heard that, huh? You heard when
She
a kiss.
laughs.
I saw it in your eyes. So you have to actually ask if you want to kiss first. You can't always go for it. It's called indiscretion.
She's playing with you. Stop.
What's her name?
Spanky.
Here, come on this arm. This other one's getting a little tired. Spanky? Spanky? Are you looking at me now? Are you looking at Dad? And me at the same time? Don't bite me. You kind of freaked me out with that whole finger
She wants your
thing.
sunglasses on.
Okay. Here, they're off. Don't you like them?
You like to look in your eyes.
You're gonna put them on? Okay. She's helping me put them on.
Stop, Spank. Stop.
You're gonna take them off again, aren't you?
It's a little game she plays. She'll take them off.
You want me to take them off? Better? Spanky, what's your dad's name? What's your dad's name? I know. What's your dad's name? I love you too. What's your dad's name? What's his name? What do you call him?
I don't know.
Call him Dad? Or you call him the guy in the yellow hat?
Calls me hello.
You don't ever call him guy in the yellow hat? I would. And then I'd make him wear a yellow hat. You're a lucky man.
Yeah. She's a good bird. What's the earring, sweet?